63 is a problem where we're looking at the integral of a quotient with variables on both the top and the bottom. And normally when you see that, you're going to look to the denominator for your u substitution. But two exceptions to that would be some problems where there's inverse trig involved, and then also when there's natural logs involved. And right here, you guys can see we've got a natural log in the numerator. I think I know where we're going with this one. If we let u equal either part of or maybe the entire numerator, I think we're going to get its its derivative to match our secondary substitution that we need. So I was first thinking I was just going to let u equal 4 times the natural log of x, and that would have meant that on the next step, my numerator is going to be 4 natural log of x is u and a plus 5. But then I got thinking about this. I don't think there's any reason we couldn't also include the plus 5 in our u, and I'll tell you why. Because that plus 5 has no bearing at all on where we're going next. So the derivative of 4 natural log of x would be 4 over x. The derivative of that plus 5 is 0, so who cares? And then a dx right here. And what I really want then is dx over x represented on this line right here, which I pretty much have except for the 4. So I'll divide both sides by 4 and get a 1/4 du is equal to a 1 over x dx, and that's the secondary substitution that I need. So here's where I think we are, guys. We're taking an integral of the entire Actually, I don't think I needed that fraction bar. The entire numerator right here, 4 natural log of x plus 5, just becomes a u. And then the dx divided by x, which is what we have right here, becomes a 1/4 du. I'll put the 1/4 all the way out in front, the du here at the end, and I guess I was right. There's nothing in the denominator, so I didn't even need a fraction there, and we'll just make this a big fat u all by itself. So I think that's actually where we're at, and it's not going to be too bad. We've got a 1/4 here, and then multiplied by, we have a u, raise the power by 1, so that's 2, and then divide by that 2, so that'll put a 1/2 out in front, and a plus c at the end of all that. So let's multiply the 1/4 and the 1/2 now to make a 1/8. The u is going to get replaced by 4 times the natural log of x plus 5. Close it, quantity squared, plus c. And I don't believe there's anything else we can do to simplify that expression. So that's our answer there for problem number 63.